Umidigi is back at it again with another new smartwatch. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the Umidigi Uwatch GT. Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, and in this video, we're going to be discussing the new Umidigi Uwatch GT. This is a brand new smartwatch from Umidigi, and at the moment they're giving some away over on Umidigi's website, so I definitely recommend that you check that out. But you can also snag one for a very significant discount. So currently, the Umidigi Uwatch GT is being offered on sale for $39.99. That's down from the original price of $79.99. Now I believe after this sale is over, it's going to be going back to the original price. So if you do want to save some money on this smartwatch, then now might be the time to buy. Now the Umidigi Uwatch GT is packed with a bunch of different features, really giving you a lot of value. So to start with, the device is waterproof. So it's waterproof at 5 ATM, which means that it's waterproof at 50 meters for 10 minutes. So you can go pretty deep underwater with the smartwatch and you'll be fine for up to 10 minutes. The device features Bluetooth 5.0. It features 15 days of daily use, so the battery will last you for quite a while from being fully charged. The device features a 24H heart rate monitor, so it's a great fitness companion. It also supports Google Fit. You get 12 different sports modes. You get message reminders, and the device features a 1.3-inch round display. Another cool thing too about the Umidigi Uwatch GT is that it supports both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, you will be able to use the Umidigi Uwatch GT with your phone. So overall, I think this is a very exciting announcement from Umidigi. We're starting to see that they're offering more and more products beyond smartphones. So they've put out the Ubeats, the Upods. They also have a Bluetooth speaker now too, so this company has really been growing a lot lately. Now Umidigi is planning on sending me a Uwatch GT so that I can make videos about it here on the channel, but at the moment, this is as much as I know about it. But I did want to let you know about the price cut that is kind of coinciding with Black Friday and the holiday season. And if you do want to enter in to get one for free, then Umidigi is offering a giveaway on their website. But I hope you found this video to be helpful. Again, this is the Umidigi Uwatch GT, a very exciting smartwatch coming from Umidigi. But let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.